Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, this video will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of what cryptocurrency is, how it works, and why it's revolutionizing the financial world. So, let's get started. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of money that uses cryptography for security and operates independently of a central authority. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of others, each with its unique features and purposes. Now, let's break down the key components of cryptocurrency. 1. Blockchain technology. At the heart of every cryptocurrency is the blockchain. 1. It's a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. 1. Each block in the chain contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, creating a secure and immutable record of transactions. 2. Decentralization. Unlike traditional currencies controlled by governments and financial institutions, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. 2. This means they operate on a peer-to-peer network, with no central authority controlling the supply or value of the currency. 3. Cryptographic security. Cryptocurrencies use advanced cryptographic techniques to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. 3. This ensures the integrity and security of the currency, making it resistant to fraud and manipulation. Now, let's take a closer look at some popular cryptocurrencies. 1. Bitcoin, BTC. Created by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. 1. It's often referred to as digital gold and is used for peer-to-peer transactions, store of value, and investment. 2. Ethereum, Ethereum is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a decentralized platform that enables smart contracts and decentralized applications, DApps, to be built and run without any downtime, fraud, control, or interference from a third party. 3. Ripple, XRP. Ripple is a digital payment protocol that enables fast, low-cost international money transfers. 3. It's designed to bridge the gap between traditional financial systems and the world of cryptocurrency. Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore the benefits of cryptocurrency. 1. Financial inclusion. Cryptocurrency has the potential to bank the unbanked by providing access to financial services for people who are excluded from the traditional banking system. 2. Lower transaction fees. Cryptocurrency transactions typically have lower fees compared to traditional banking systems, especially for international transfers. 3. Security and privacy. Cryptocurrency transactions are secure and pseudonymous, meaning they don't require personal information to be exchanged, providing users with greater privacy and security. Despite its many benefits, cryptocurrency also faces several challenges. 1. Volatility. Cryptocurrency prices are highly volatile, with values often experiencing rapid fluctuations. 1. This can make it challenging for investors to predict market trends and make informed decisions. 2. Regulatory uncertainty. Governments and regulatory bodies around the world are still grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrency, leading to uncertainty and potential legal risks for investors and users. 3. Security risks. While blockchain technology is secure, cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets can be vulnerable to hacking and theft, posing risks to investors' funds. In conclusion, cryptocurrency is a revolutionary technology that has the potential to transform the way we think about money and finance. Whether you're interested in investing, using it for transactions, or exploring its underlying technology, cryptocurrency offers something for everyone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Until next time, happy investing.